Did it just start recording? Oh dear. How's your eye? My eye sucks. I almost killed her. I may have accidentally went full speed into the dock and hit the dock and ruined the dock.
In the span of 5 minutes, we almost died.
And then I may have fallen right on top of her because we spin too fast. So, John and Krista, you think you had it bad before Zoe here? Her eye.
My eye's swollen! It hurts. My head hurts.
Which usually I'm a great driver.
Really? I haven't seen that yet.
Yes. Usually I am. Well, bye-bye. And, never trust a blonde on a jet